Traveling is one of the most rewarding and exciting experiences in life, but it can also be challenging and stressful at times. Whether you're planning a weekend getaway, a long-term adventure, or a business trip, you need to be prepared for unexpected and make the most of your time and money. That's why we've compiled a list of 15 travel tips, hacks, and tricks that can help you travel smarter, cheaper, and happier in 2024. These tips cover everything from packing, booking, flying, staying, exploring, and earning money while traveling. They are based on our own personal experiences, as well as the best practices and recommendations from experts and fellow travelers. By following these tips, hacks, and tricks, you'll be able to enjoy your trip more, avoid common pitfalls and problems, and have a memorable and meaningful travel experience. So, without further ado, let's dive into the 15 travel tips, hacks, and tricks for 2024. Number 1. Pack a spare change of clothes in your carry-on. Always be prepared for unexpected by packing an extra set of clothes in your carry-on. Luggage mishaps are common, ranging from delays to misplacement. Having a spare outfit including underwear and a comfortable set of clothes can be a lifesaver. This is particularly crucial if you have an important meeting or event short after landing. Additionally, mid-flight incidents like spills can happen, and having a change of clothes ensures you remain comfortable and presentable throughout your journey. Number 2. Jet lag. Jet lag can significantly impact your travel experience, especially when choosing multiple time zones. To mitigate its effects, start adjusting your sleep schedule a few days prior to your trip to align more closely with your destination's time zone. Stay hydrated during your flight, as airplane cabins are known for their dry air, which can exacerbate fatigue. Avoid alcohol and caffeine, as this can disrupt sleep patterns. Once you arrive, try to get as much natural sunlight as possible to help you reset your internal clock. Light exposure is a powerful tool in regulating our circadian rhythms. If necessary, consider short naps but avoid long daytime sleeping as it can further disrupt your sleep cycle. Number 3. Washing clothes in the sink. For extended travel, or in case of emergencies, knowing how to wash clothes in the sink is invaluable. Pack a universal sink plug and travel-size laundry detergent, or even consider multi-use soap options. Use a microfiber towel to roll and press out excess water from your clothes for fast drying. For more thorough wash, a portable device like the Scrubber Wash Bag is excellent. It's a lightweight, compact tool that mimics a washing machine's functionality, perfect for travelers. Air drying can be done using hangers or temporary clothesline in your bathroom. Number 4. Packing like a pro. Efficient packing is an art form. Use packing tubes to compartmentalize your clothes, electronics, and toiletries. This not only saves space but also keeps your luggage organized. Rolling clothes instead of folding them can prevent wrinkles and allow for more compact packing. For carry-on luggage, be mindful of TSA's 311 liquid rule. Each liquid can be in a container of 3.4 ounces or less. All containers must fit in 1 quart size, clear, plastic zip-top bag, with 1 bag per passenger. Fill any empty spaces in your suitcase with small items or compressible clothing. Packing efficiently means you can bring everything you need without overpacking. Number 5. Booking flights. When looking for flights, don't just search for round-trip tickets. Sometimes, booking 2 one-way tickets with different airlines can be more cost-effective. Using flight comparison tools like Skyscanner, Google Flights, or Hopper to compare prices across different airlines and booking platforms. These tools can also alert you to price drops and special deals. Keep an eye on flight prices over time and be flexible with your travel dates if possible, as this can lead to significant savings. Number 6. Packing hats. Hats can be tricky to pack without damaging them. The key is to stuff the crown of the hat with soft items like socks or underwear to maintain its shape. Place the hat upside down in your suitcase, then carefully place clothes around it, creating a protective nest. This method is especially useful for maintaining the shape of brim hats like fedoras or sun hats. Number 7. Laundry before packing. Packing clean clothes is essential for a pleasant travel experience. Dirty clothes can harbor bacteria and unpleasant odor that can transfer to other items in your suitcase. Before packing, do your laundry to ensure everything is fresh. To maintain this freshness throughout your trip, consider packing a few dryer sheets or lavender sachets among your clothes. They can keep your luggage smelling clean and discourage the growth of mildew in damp environments. Number 8. Booking flights in the afternoon. Airfare pricing can fluctuate through the day. It's often observed that flight prices can be higher in the morning when business travelers are more likely to book. By waiting until afternoon or evening to book your flight, you might find lower prices. Airlines adjust their fares based on various factors including demand, so timing your booking can lead to cost savings. Number 9. Using less popular booking sites. While popular online travel agencies or OTAs like Expedia or Booking.com are commonly used, lesser-known sites such as Going, Vayama, and CheapOair often offer competitive prices. These sites might have special deals or fares not available on larger platforms. However, it's important to read the policies on changes and cancellations, as they might differ from what you're accustomed to with more familiar sites. Number 10. Setting up flight alerts. Utilize services like Airfare, Watchdog, Scott's Cheap Flights, or other flight alert systems. They monitor flight prices and notify you when there's a significant price drop from your set departure location. This can lead to substantial savings, especially for international or long-haul flights. Additionally, explore tools like Kayak or Skiplack for discovering hidden city fares or hacker fares, which can offer unconventional but cheaper routes. Number 11. Affordable accommodation. To save on accommodation, consider options beyond traditional hotels. Hostels provide budget-friendly and social lodging experiences. Airbnb can offer unique local stays, often at lower cost than hotels. For even more immersive experience, try couchsurfing or house sitting, when you can stay for free in exchange for looking after someone's home or pets. Number 12. Earning money while traveling. If you're planning a long-term trip, consider ways to earn money while on the road. Teaching English is a popular option, with platforms like VIP Kid connecting teachers to students around the world. Freelancing in fields like writing, graphic design, or programming can be done remotely, with websites like Upwork and Fiverr offering a marketplace for such skill. Blogging about your travel experiences can also be monetized over time. Additionally, websites like Workaway, HelpX, or WWOOF offers opportunities to work in exchange for accommodations and food, often in unique and rural settings. Number 13. Becoming a house sitter. House sitting is an excellent way to find free accommodations while traveling. Sign up on websites like Trusted House Sitters, where you can find opportunities to stay in someone's home in exchange for looking after it and possibly caring for pets. This not only saves money, but also provides a more authentic living experience in the destination. It's a great option for long-term travelers or digital nomads looking for a place to stay while working remotely. Using a small backpack suitcase. Traveling with a carry-on size backpack or suitcase can save you time and money. Most airlines allow for a free carry-on, so you avoid check-in luggage fees. Opt for a lightweight, durable bag that meets most airline size requirements. To maximize space, use compression bag or vacuum bags, which can significantly reduce the volume of your clothes, allowing you to pack more efficiently. Number 15. Packing a towel. A towel is a surprisingly versatile item to have on your travels. Choose a lightweight, quick-drying towel over a regular bulky towel. They are useful for beach days, impromptu picnics, drying off after a shower, or even a makeshift blanket. The compactness of travel towels means they won't take up much space in your luggage. Bonus tip: using a VPN. When accessing public Wi-Fi, security is a major concern. A VPN or virtual private network encrypts your internet connection, protecting your data from hackers and maintaining privacy. Additionally, a VPN allows you to access geo-restricted content like streaming services from your home country, which can be a comfort when traveling abroad. Some recommended VPNs for travelers include ExpressVPN, NordVPN, and Surfshark. They are known for their reliability, speed, and ease of use. And there you have it. I hope these tips, hacks, and tricks will help you have a wonderful and hassle-free trip in 2024. If you find this video helpful and interesting, please hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. Until next time, happy travels!